Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 65 of The Essence of Time, and it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes to craft, you would see what you could make in that time frame. So the last session I ended up skipping the page by accident. We made this right here. I glued on these paper bags just to kind of have a solid background, and then we added these envelopes, and I added this background page right here. And my goal is to be able to house like a little mini journal that Vera had given me, and then if I need to, I could house another little mini journal, and we could just add some stuff. We could start decorating the little mini journal. But in the meantime, I want to go ahead and complete this layout for the 2 pages. So let's go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes. So I know for sure excuse me, that I do want to do some die cutting, and so I went on ahead and I've got my movers and shapers alterations. This is the little clipboard die. What's it called? Well, I guess it's, yeah, mini clipboard, top and bottom. Alright, so, and then in order to cut it, you have to have this movers and shapers tray. So I've got my base tray. Basically, you use it in the place of the platform. So, instead of using this right here, or this right here, or do you use this? No, you don't use this. You use this right here. You put this down here, you get your die, and then you're going to place your piece of paper over top of it. Let's just go ahead and then you're just going to die cut it out. So I'm going to use black cardstock for this. Let me just go ahead and cut both of them out. Put that there. And then you still run, you put this on the bottom and this on the top, and you got your sandwich, and you're just gonna feed it through. Did I do that right? Yeah, I did. Okay. Now this one, I don't know. I've always had problems with it because I did get it at Tuesday morning, so it never really did cut all the way. So I've always had to finish cutting out the remaining pieces of it. I don't know if it was supposed to always do that, but I don't think it was. But that's probably why I got it at a discounted price years ago. And so we have, that's one clipboard. I'm gonna do 2 of them. I don't know if I need, I guess I could keep the base. I usually don't keep it, but I think I will, just cause, yeah, I'll just keep it. And so let's just go ahead and cut us another one out. Let's cut that and that. I'll put that there. Well, let me see. That's not wide enough, so we'll just keep that black paper for something else. So we'll go ahead and put this one here. Let's just cut this down. And it's wide enough. I'm just going to send it through. And then I have another die that I think I'm going to use as well. It's like a file folder die, so I'll probably use it and cut out a black file folder or something. I don't know. We shall see. Or maybe I should make it out of manila cardstock. We'll see. I'm not sure yet. I think I will make it out of like a manila file folder. That way it's not the exact same color. We'll have some contrasting colors on here. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this out the way, and I'll put that back up later. Let me go ahead and take these out. Set these over here to the side because I'm probably going to use those. And I'm going to make like a mini journal or a clipboard backing, I guess. Where did I put? Let me get my piece of file folder. I don't know where I put it. So I've got a piece of thick cardstock that was coffee dyed. And we are going to make our little sandwich. I'm going to get, let's see, where is it? I'm going to use a file folder die. And then I'm probably also going to use a, I forgot what you call this little die right here. Where you can put words. I might just fussy cut instead of using it. Because I think I need something smaller for my words that I'm going to use. I'll probably just cut it out. Alright. But yeah, I am going to definitely use this right here. So let's just go ahead and cut this down to size, so that it can fit through the die. And put my paper here. This goes on the top. So the part that gets cut, you put that. You have your platform, the base plate that gets cut on your paper, and then the part of the die that's going to cut, I'm going to put it face down. And then I got my top plate. And we're just going to run it through. And we've got us our file folder. And I can turn it this way or that way. I think I'm going to turn it like this. We'll see. Alright, and then I'm going to clean up later. But let me just move these out the way somewhere. Put this back in here. Set it on the floor somewhere. Alright, guys. I make such a big mess. Alright, so let's open up our page. And let's see what we have. Alright. And before I finish putting that on, I did kind of get some stuff together because I do want to make a cluster. So I've gathered some things that I'm probably definitely going to use, because I am going to use our little clusters here, but I also want to use one of the pieces of my whatever you call this, collage that I had made earlier in one of the earlier sessions. So I'm going to put this on the side in the middle. Okay. And this is going to be like a little tuck spot maybe. And then I do want to add this on here, kind of like in the middle. So let's just go ahead and glue this on. I'm just going to be using probably both of mine, both of the coffee and the latte clusters. And let's see, I do want to put this little, what do you call it, Eiffel Tower on here. And this is the one that was printed out on vellum. So I like how you can, it's kind of transparent. I like how you can see through it. And it looks good. I think it looks good up against this brown. And then I do want to use this right here. Cup Verde. I think I'm going to put it like up through here somewhere. Yeah. Oops. I might have to stitch it. I don't know. It just depends. Because I do want it to stay. So. Oh, I got it on the wrong side. This is going to be a, you know what? Yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, gee, guys. There's my time. Well, we're just going to have to reconvene tomorrow. So let me take this little bit of glue off here. And I'm just going to add this like right in here. And let's see. I think off camera, well, I'm just going to finish this tomorrow. But off camera, I'm just going to go ahead and stitch this right here. That way it stays on, because I'm only going to stitch like a little portion of it, like maybe up through here, but just so that this stays stuck on here and that this also stays stuck to the page. I want to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you at the end what I did. And I'm probably going to go ahead and distress this right here off camera as well, so that it won't take quite as long tomorrow to finish up the session. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.